Good day, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you may be. You are welcome to Juliet Home. Today we are preparing how to fry sweet potatoes. First of all, if you are new in this channel, we want to please ask you to press the subscribe button as you're watching right now, and don't forget to press the notification and also share to your loved ones and friends. If you are returning subscribers, you are highly amazing. We say thank you. For those of you that have not subscribed, just try and subscribe. Okay, and before we proceed, I want to quickly highlight us with some amazing benefits of sweet potatoes. First of all, sweet potatoes help prevent vitamin A deficiency. And sweet potatoes can also help manage diabetes. Sweet potatoes can help manage stress level. Sweet potatoes contain anti-inflammatory activity, and sweet potatoes can help prevent, manage cancer. Those of you that are cancer patients, just try to consider taking sweet potatoes often. These are natural treatments, okay? Sweet potatoes can help guard against ulcer. See, those of you that have ulcer, just consider sweet potatoes often, and sweet potatoes can also help in curbing some of these issues. Sweet potatoes can help in minimizing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Now, those of you that have heart problems, heart issues, you have been diagnosed of heart, maybe cancer, disease, or whatsoever, a lot of them, just consider taking sweet potatoes all the time. Sweet potatoes contain antimicrobial properties, okay? Antimicrobial properties. Sweet potatoes can help prevent or improve hair and skin issues. Those of you that have hair and skin infections, sweet potato can be of help. Sweet potatoes are good for digestion. They are good for digestion, okay? Those of you that find it difficult to digest each time you eat, just take sweet potatoes all the time or often a time. It will help you to curb that issue. Sweet potatoes can help in regulating blood pressure. Those of you, sorry to say, those of you that are hypertensive, just consider sweet potatoes often, and you see that the level of hypertension will drastically come down. Sweet potatoes can boost fertility. Now, this is where I'm going to stay with a little, and I will stop here. Besides, there are so many other benefits, as I said before. Now, according to research, high dose of vitamin A in sweet potatoes makes the vegetable ideal for consumption by women of childbearing age to enhance their fertility level. Studies on animal models have shown that vitamin A plays an integral role in improving reproduction or reproductive performance. Now, research has also shown that a deficiency in vitamin A can lead to secondary infertility in women of childbearing age. Sweet potatoes also contain a healthy dose of iron, which is a crucial mineral in promoting fertility in women of childbearing age. Reports indicate that anemia of iron deficiency is a cause of infertility among women. These reports have shown that treating the iron deficiency by increasing dietary intake or iron usually results in women being able to conceive a few months to a year after the treatment. When this iron deficiency, this iron problem is treated in a woman, iron helps in pregnancy. And so if a woman has issue with iron in the body, they will be unable to conceive. And so when dietary intake of sweet potato is taken often, it will help to treat the deficiency, the disease, the iron disease in the body, and then the woman will be able to take in as rapid as possible. So sweet potato is one of the dietary solutions recommended to treat deficiency iron in women. So just stay back. Now we're going to proceed to slice the potatoes, and this is the dimension I want to slice them. I prefer it this way. You can do yours just the way you want. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to proceed to add lime to the sweet potatoes, and then with salt I'll cover for some minutes, or about 5 minutes, to allow the lime to integrate in the potatoes. Okay, before I go further, I want to quickly also highlight to you about some benefits of lime. They have similar benefits. Okay, similar benefits like consumption of lime can help in the consumption of water. Okay, it makes you to drink more water every day. You know, it is advisable health-wise to drink at least about 2 liters of water a day. And also it helps to improve diet. It helps to improve diet just like the sweet potato. It helps in digestion just like sweet potato. It reduces the chances of having cancer just like sweet potatoes. It improves skin quality like sweet potatoes too. So they have similarities in their benefits, and also promote weight loss, improve immune system, and also help in helping curb heart diseases. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste, just little. I'm going to add rosemary leaf. Okay. Now I like using this rosemary because it adds some flavor to the potatoes, and also I will add my garlic. Alright. This also adds some flavor. You know, garlic is also very beneficial to health. Okay, and I will mix it. Make sure you mix it very well. Okay, so that the garlic can mix with the potatoes and the rosemary. When you come to Juliet home, go home with the best. And then I'll cover. Fill your eyes with the best. About 5 minutes. So I'll see you later. Okay, now we are going to fry the potatoes. Okay, now it's ready. You can see it's ready. Yeah, see that? Okay, the sweet potato is ready. Okay, now you can see it's very attractive and beautiful, and also don't forget the health benefits. All right. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing that right now as you're watching. So if you are returning subscribers too, we say thank you very much for subscribing to us and for staying with us all this while. Don't forget to press the like button and also share to your loved ones and friends. So I will see you, or we'll see you next time in our next video. Bye for now. Bye. We get the best recipe at Juliet home. You get the best recipe. Subscribe, share to your loved ones. Subscribe. share to your loved ones, subscribe.